10 chapter 9 tangents and secants to a circle exercise 2 6th problem construction. Very important. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurements by actual calculation. Here radius given 4 cm and 6 cm, and these two are concentric circles. Draw a circle with radius of 4 cm. Here O as the center. Draw a circle with a radius of 4 cm. Again draw a circle with radius of 6 cm. Draw another circle with radius of 6 cm. Here draw a circle with a radius of 6 cm. 6 cm, which is concentric to first circle. Okay, this is a 6 cm radius. Smaller circle radius I am writing here A, and larger circle, bigger circle radius I am writing B. Now draw perpendicular bisector for OB for bigger circle. Perpendicular bisector bigger circle को draw करना. Perpendicular bisector పెద్ద circle को draw చేయాలి. Perpendicular bisector means nothing, it divides into two equal parts. Suppose this is 6 cm radius, there means it will divide into 3 cm 3 cm. By taking half above the radius, take this much radius and draw perpendicular bisectors. O as the center, intersect the previous arcs and join this. It bisects at M. By joining, it bisects at M. Now M as the center, with radius of OM and OB, draw a circle. Draw a circle. It intersect the smaller circle at two distinct points. Here I am writing P and here I am writing Q. Join PB and join PQ. These are the required two tangents. And also join OP. Join PB and join PQ and join OP and OQ. Now I am taking triangle OPB and I'll prove in a triangle OPB this P is a right angle triangle. Now see here OP is equals to 4 cm. OP is equals to 4 cm, where OB is equals to 6 cm. OB is equals to 6 cm. OP is equals to 4 cm and OB is equals to 6 cm. We should find PB. PB is equals to how much? PB is equals to, we should find. Here we should find PB length. This is 4 cm, this is 6 cm, and we should find PB. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Therefore, OB square is equals to OB square is equals to side square plus side square, OP square plus PB square. PB square. See here OB square is equals to OB square is equal to 6 cm. Here already I wrote 6 square is equal to OP square. OP is a smaller circle radius 4 centimeters. This is bigger circle radius OB. 4 OP is equal 4. Therefore square I am writing as it is plus PB square. Now we should find PB. This total transposing LHS side. This total transposing RHS side. PB square plus 4 square is equals to 6 square. PB square plus 4 into 4 16 is equals to 6 36, where PB square is equals to 36 minus the 16, right, RHS side. What happened? Plus quantity becomes minus quantity, minus 16. Therefore PB square is equals to 36 minus 16 is equals to 20. I am writing PB square as it is. PB square is equals to 25 means 20 means I am writing 20 means I am writing 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Now PB is equals to the square root I write RHS side. 2 I am writing that side means what happened? It becomes a square root. Square becomes square root. Now 4 into 5. 4 into 5, where PB is equals to square root of 4. Square root of 4 into square root of 5. PB is equals to square root of 4 into square root of 5, where PB is equals to square root of 2. 4 means 2 into root 5 as it is, right? Since root 5 is equals to 2.236. 2.236. Now PB is equals to 2 into root 5 means 2.236. 2.236. Therefore PB is equals to 4.472. Multiply these two. 4.472 centimeters. Hence we proved.